So welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just as a synopsis really quickly to talk about things. We've established what A stands for now as a function, and again, we could have cosine as a function. But A is related to the amplitude, really straightforward. And K, we can use a calculation to find its period, if we're working in degrees or in radians. So that's related to the period. So today, the rest of this class we're going to be looking at is obviously the horizontal shifting and the vertical shifts, but we'll talk about Q right now. And for the sine graph, well, a lot of you can tell if I did the sine graph. And if I ask this leading question, what's the equation of the axis for this? What would you guys say? 0 is correct. And again, what is that line? That line is this line. And that, of course, is y equals 2. This is the equation of the axis, EOA for short. And it's not that exciting, right? So let's just show you a question. I don't know if it's in the package or not, but I'm going to make one up. Y equals sine x plus 2. So what am I going to see? If this is our graph of the sine graph, I should have made it better. I never think about these questions. So this point at 0, 0 is going to shift up 2 units. This point, which is 90 and 1, shifts up 2 units. So it's going to be 3. This one is up there. 270 and negative 1 goes up 2 units. So it's going to be there. And then 360 and 0 is going to be there. So this is the new graph. And if I were to ask you, ladies and gentlemen, what's the equation of the axis for this? A lot of you actually can tell me just like that.
2.
What? For this
Y
y equals 2, right? So some of you are slowly recognizing that Q, which is the vertical shift up or down, it's related to the equation of the axis. Why? Because 0 shifted up to 2 units. So the equation of the axis is really the Q value. Make sense? So let's see if you guys can do this one. I'll make this one up. Y equals cosine x minus 1. You know, we'll get a classmate to hopefully draw that out. I think the quality of the YouTube videos are going down, but whatever. I can't do this stuff. So if you have to pause the video, please feel free to. No, I'm not gonna pause. Any volunteer from the class tell me what I should draw? Yeah?
The cosine graph.
Yeah.
And function, and then down 1.
Down 1,
on
right?
The left.
So let's draw the cosine graph. Just help everyone out. And then down 1, right? So let's just do this in red. Right. And what will be the equation of the axis? Sorry?
Negative 1.
Negative 1. And of course, what would be the minimum?
Negative 2.
Negative 2. See? The problem solving. Still has the same amplitude of 1, but it's just been shifted down vertically. No compressions or anything like that. Is everyone okay with Q? Vertical displacements, equation of axis? Hope I'm not going too fast. Any questions at all? Stop this.